Hello everyone, this is Dr. S.Srinivasan, Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, RMDEC Engineering College. In this video, I am going to tell about the architecture of information retrieval system. Let us see what information retrieval system is. Information retrieval system is a software and it is used to find relevant documents from a document collection. Now we see the common architecture of information retrieval system. Information retrieval systems allow users to submit their information requirements in the form of query. The query has lot of keywords and these keywords are used to find out the relevant documents. Information retrieval systems maintain a huge collection of documents. The documents are indexed. The index of all documents will be created by a component indexer. The query terms as well as the index terms are used to find out the relevant documents. The relevant documents are retrieved and they are presented to the user. The user will review the relevant documents. If he satisfies, he will use the documents. Otherwise, he will revise the query. Now we see the core components of information retrieval system. There are 6 components. The first one is document collection. The next one is indexer. Then the user query component. Then information retrieval model. It is a very critical component in IR system because it will decide whether a document is relevant to the query or not. Then ranking method, then feedback mechanism. We see the functions of each component one by one. The first component is called document collection. It is also called as central repository or document corpus. It stores all the documents in the drive. It includes both public documents as well as the private documents of the organization. In web information retrieval systems use web crawler to generate the document collection. The next most important component is indexer. The indexer creates the inverted index structure of all documents. The inverted index structure maps each index term to a set of documents. The next component is user query. It collects the user information requirements in the form of query. The query has just English words. It is purely unstructured and it does not follow any syntax. This component is also responsible to process the query. It removes stop words and performs stemming and lemmatization. It also expands the query in order to simplify the retrieval process. Therefore, it transforms the original query submitted by the user to a system query which is ready for processing. The system query is then sent to the information retrieval models. The information retrieval models uses the inverted index structure to determine the set of relevant documents. IR systems use different IR models to find out the relevant documents. The next component is ranking. This component helps to sort out the retrieved documents based on the relevance. The most relevant documents get top ranks and they are presented to the user before other low ranked documents. The final document is the feedback mechanism. It is responsible to gather user feedback about the retrieval process either directly or indirectly. For example, this component may compare the retrieved documents for a query with the one retrieved by a human expert. In some cases, the feedback about the search result is collected from the user directly. In recent years, digital form of information has been increased drastically. In such circumstances, the IR systems are critical to access the required information in short time. In this video, the common architecture of information retrieval system is presented. Search engines like Google, Bing and DuckDuckGo are few examples of IR systems. Thanks for watching this video.